We become what we repeatedly tell ourselves. Whatever we say ourselves, our subconscious mind accepts it and then acts accordingly. Whatever we think of ourselves is called affirmation. Affirmation, most powerful tool to change yourself. Nothing in this whole world better than affirmation to control your mind, these affirmations. These affirmations can change your whole life. This videos will be the most life-changing video of the entire channel, because what I am going to tell you if you do it every 21 days so that it will change your life completely. Will be happier, your mindset will have completely changed. There will be a change in your behavior and attitude. The depression, anxiety, and negativity inside you will decrease. Note today's date and 21 days after today and see the difference in yourself in these 21 days. I have some demands. You could repeat just imagine them yourself, but do it with a peaceful mind. Whatever we are about to say to ourselves, imagine them, feel them. For example, if say I'm happy, then feel the happiness. See yourself happy. And if you repeatedly keep on saying that you are happy, your subconscious, but I am grateful and I thank God with all my heart. Whatever is happening to me is for my good. I welcome this day and will make this day one of the best day of my life. I am very happy with my life. I am enjoying my life to fullest. I only think positively. I exercise daily. So I will be full of energy daily. I have a lot of energy inside me, and I use this energy for good work. I am a champion 1523 mil, and remember, this is a 21 days challenge. Practice affirmations daily, or you can listen to Thurn. Seeing this video, hope to God that you achieve peace, health, and wealth. Your life fills with health, wealth, and happiness. In coming times on this channel, we will upload more such life-changing video, so subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so you can get notifications of upcoming videos. See you, goodbye.